Did you know your phone can now control your comfort? If you're tired of sweating through summer nights or fighting with clunky remotes, you're in the right place. Welcome to the channel. Stick around as we reveal the top 5 portable ACs with mobile app control. And yes, we've linked the best deals in the description below. Let's cool things down. The number 5 product on our list is Dreo 12,000 BTU. Looking for a portable air conditioner that combines power, quiet operation, and smart features? The Dreo 12,000 BTU Portable AC stands out in the crowded market of portable ACs with mobile app control. With its drainage-free design, it offers hassle-free cooling without the need for constant maintenance. The 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, ensures versatility for various needs. Its smart app and voice control compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri provide convenience at your fingertips. The sleek design and quiet operation make it suitable for bedrooms and offices alike. Whether you're looking to cool a small apartment or a home office, the Dreo 12,000 BTU Portable AC delivers efficient and intelligent cooling. Number 4 is BLACK+DECKER 14,000 BTU. Looking for a portable air conditioner that combines powerful cooling with smart features? The BLACK+DECKER 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner stands out as a top contender in the top 5 portable ACs with mobile app control. With its impressive 14,000 BTU capacity, it efficiently cools rooms up to 700 SQ, making it ideal for large living spaces. The unit offers 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, providing versatile comfort throughout the year. Its Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to control the AC remotely via the mobile app or voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, adding convenience to your daily routine. The Follow Me remote feature ensures precise temperature control by adjusting based on your location. While the installation process is straightforward, some users have reported that the unit's weight can make portability a bit challenging. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner offers a blend of performance and smart features, making it a worthy addition to the list of top portable ACs with mobile app control. The third one on our list is KOVIET 14,000 BTU. Think all portable ACs are noisy power hogs? Think again. The KOVIET 14,000 BTU blows past expectations, literally and figuratively. As part of our top 5 portable ACs with mobile app control, this unit cools up to 700 SQ, while using 30% less energy, making it a smart, efficient pick for anyone tired of sweating through summer. From voice control with Alexa to remote scheduling via the KOVIET app, it gives you total climate control without lifting more than a finger. What really impressed us? Its whisper quiet compressor and auto evaporation system, no noisy distractions, no daily water dump. Setup takes minutes, and the 6-in-1 functionality means it's ready for anything from muggy afternoons to chilly nights. Yes, it's powerful, yes, it's portable, and yes, based on customer reviews and our hands-on test, this is a worthwhile buy for families, renters, or anyone chasing true indoor comfort. Still unsure? Stay tuned. We'll break down who should and shouldn't get it next. On number 2 is DuraComfort Portable AC. Tired of clunky, loud ACs that barely cool your space? The DuraComfort Portable AC flips the script with smart control, quiet power, and a design that actually makes sense. As one of our top 5 portable ACs with mobile app control, it impressed us with its Wi-Fi app support, letting you adjust temperature, mode, and airflow from anywhere before you even walk in the door. The dual-motor system delivers smoother, faster cooling while staying whisper quiet, and the self-evaporating design means less hassle with drainage, covering up to 350 SQF FT. It's a perfect fit for bedrooms, small apartments, or home offices. Compared to similar models, it installs faster, runs cleaner, and just feels more intuitive. Downsides? It's not made for large open areas but for compact comfort. With smart control, it delivers peace of mind. Stick around, because up next, we'll break down the real-world pros and cons from actual users. Now, moving to the last one is COSTWAY 12,000 BTU 4-in-1. What if your AC could do more than just cool, like heat your room in winter, dehumidify during muggy days, and even follow your voice commands? The COSTWAY 12,000 BTU 4-in-1 Portable AC isn't just a gadget, it's a year-round comfort upgrade that made our top 5 portable ACs with mobile app control list for a reason. We tested it in real-world conditions, and its smart features, like full app control via Smart Life and Alexa compatibility, bring true peace of mind. It cooled our 450 SQFT test room fast and evenly, and the low noise mode with a 24-hour timer made overnight use a breeze. Installation's simple. It rolls easily from room to room, and the dual drainage system adds flexibility. Sure, it's a bit bulkier than some sleeker units, but if you're tired of juggling multiple appliances and just want smart, effortless climate control, this one's a smart investment. Based on user reviews, buy it if you want power and convenience, skip it if you're short on space or need ultra-quiet operation. After evaluating the top 5 portable ACs with mobile app control, the COSTWAY 12,000 BTU 4-in-1 stands out as the ultimate winner. Its impressive cooling capacity, combined with heating, fan, and dehumidifying functions, ensures year-round comfort. The integration with the Smart Life app and Alexa offers seamless control, enhancing user convenience. While other units like the Dreo and KOVIET models offer commendable features, COSTWAY's versatility and user-friendly design make it a top choice. If you're seeking a reliable, multifunctional portable AC, the COSTWAY 12,000 BTU 4-in-1 is a smart investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 portable ACs with mobile app control. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.